Um, yeah, got one of these. Amazing Pokemon Happy Meals, which not really amazing. See what we've got inside, I guess. Oh no, that's not good. I mean, yeah, this is well, what's up with the mouth? Can you see the mouth? Wow, that's unfocusing. That is good quality. That's why you don't get a Samsung. Yeah, it's a cat Litten. And that's, you get this. It's not focusing, but it's just not really much to focus on. It's a lollipop. I guess that's what you put in its mouth. Oh, this is annoying. Should have thought this through a bit more. Actually, you have to really force it down its throat. Oh, there you go. Also, doesn't balance very well. Let's check it. You also get a Pokemon card. It's a Krabola, the Donald Trump Pokemon. Light in this room's awful. There's Punch and Crabhammer. You can't read that though. Oh, well, that's cool. It seems to get the instructions inside. Oh, it's very bent. Look at that. I did get another Happy Meal earlier. Not today. And the card was not that bent. It was way easier to get inside, but... Oh, here's the instructions. So you press the button on its back and see how far it goes. Okay, what? I'm pressing it, but it's not doing it. Oh, there you go. You push it in really. Well, not hard. Further. I expect a McDonald's toy to do that. Huh, that went kind of far. On the floor. That's good, I guess. Gonna expect it to go to like a centimetre. No, it went a good. I don't know, about a quarter of a metre. So inside, what? Oh, we got another one. It's Rowlet, everyone's favourite onion owl. And we got a little Meowth, which I quite like it, you know. I prefer it to normal Meowth, but it evolves into a real bad looking egg-headed, well not egg-headed, moon-headed cat, and it's not very, oh what's this? I don't even have to read the instructions on it. Look at that. Curl it. No, what are you doing? Right. Well, that looked amazing. I remember. Well, okay. Okay. I think it's supposed to do that. Yeah. Are they nails? Oh dear. That are a bit less obvious. Are they on these? Whoa, I don't remember McDonald's toys being like that. Okay. Probably part alive. But, I mean, they're quite alright. I mean, the McDonald's toys. Is that going to be like top tier? You know, they're alright. You know, I don't know. This one's a bit weird with its mouth. I hate that mouth. Body shapes, you probably can't see it. got enough detail on it though. I mean, they're not exactly too detailed Pokemon. That's probably why they picked. I mean, this is like the collection, the ones you can get. I have the Pikachu. I'll probably show you the Pikachu. Is Pikachu even? Yeah, it's up there in the corner hiding. I kind of like the Magikarp. Yeah. We'll take a look at the box. See what's on the box. There's one of the Gumball Lights. That was an alright show. I didn't mind that. Pokemon Search Pikachu, the electric type Pokemon. Alright. I think it might be there. Just give you a clue. That's how easy it is to let you know. Yep. Squirtle, everyone knows Squirtle. Wow, that's not focusing. A water type Pokemon. Look for one of these around the water. It's there. Next to the Magikarp. But you got just Meowth, a normal. Yeah. I don't know why I didn't use Alola Meowth, but oh well. For some reason they used normal Magikarp despite the fact that the golden Magikarp. Yeah, that's very interesting. Some free book tokens, and then it's back to that. Quite a boring box, but you know, buy Happy Meals for the box here. That'll do it for this video, guys. Something a bit different, so see you next time.